everyone, welcome back to Simple Tax Steps JA. If you have ever changed your car engine or changed your car color or made any other updates, you can't just drive off. Your documents need to match your vehicle. Today, I'll walk you through what exactly you need to do step by step. First things first, before heading to the examination depot, you need to buy your fitness fee. You can do this online at www.jamaicatax.gov.jm or pay using TAJ's mobile app or at any tax office near you. This fee will cover the inspection that confirms your vehicle details have changed. Now that your fee is paid, it's time to get your vehicle inspected. Head to the examination depot to update your certificate of fitness. They'll check your vehicle to confirm any changes, whether it's a color, the engine, or any other modification. Once your new certificate of fitness is issued, you're ready for the next step, updating your motor vehicle registration certificate. Then head to the tax office to pay for your new motor vehicle registration certificate. If you want your motor vehicle title to reflect the new details, you have two options. One, you can have the changes manually added to your existing motor vehicle title, or you may pay for a substitute title, a clean new version that shows all your updated information. And that's it. Quick, easy, and stress free. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple guides. No stress, just simple steps.